In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to purchase an item on eBay using a vanilla gift card. Shopping online can be a super convenient way to get what you need without leaving the comfort of your own home. Whether you're looking for something rare or just want a good deal, eBay has been a go-to marketplace for many. To make your experience even smoother, it's good to know how to navigate the site and use your preferred payment method, like a vanilla gift card. So let's get started. First, open up your preferred web browser and head over to eBay's website. If you've never shopped on eBay before, you might be amazed at the wide range of categories they offer. From electronics to apparel to collectibles, there's a little bit of everything. Spend a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout so you can find what you need more easily the next time you visit. If you already know what you're looking for, use the search bar at the top to type in a keyword or the specific item you're interested in. Browse through the listings, and when you find something you like, make sure to read the description thoroughly, including the item details and seller ratings. Choosing trusted sellers with good feedback can enhance your shopping experience. Once you've decided on a product, go ahead and add it to your cart. To do this, look for the Add to Cart button on the items page. Your cart is where you can review all the items you've selected before making the final purchase. So it's a handy spot to see all the accumulated costs, including shipping and potential taxes. Now it's time to proceed to the checkout page. This will usually involve clicking on your cart icon and then selecting checkout. This is where you'll choose how you'd like to pay for your items. Look for a section labeled Pay With or similar language. Here you'll find options to use different payment methods. If you're using a vanilla gift card, you'll need to add it as a new card. Look for an option that says Add New Card. When you click it, you'll be prompted to enter your card details. Carefully input the information exactly as it appears on the gift card. Ensure the card has sufficient balance since the transaction will be denied if it doesn't cover the full cost of your purchase, including any extra fees. Once your card is added, confirm that it's selected as your payment method for this transaction. And there you have it. You're all set. After confirming the payment, you'll receive a confirmation email summarizing your purchase. It's a good idea to keep this for your records. Once you've completed these steps, give yourself a pat on the back. You're now ready to await your eBay order and perhaps consider what you'll shop for next. Happy shopping, and thank you for choosing this tutorial to guide you through your eBay experience.